This cute kitty went viral when a news anchor thought that he was a cougar. Oh my! We will share this hilarious story with you in today's video. Hello and welcome back to Neffy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. This unnamed lovely brown tabby cat went viral. He got caught on live camera in Hernando, Mississippi. There was a local Fox 13 news anchor, Scott Meadows, who was reporting that a cougar had been spotted in the area. Well, Meadows went to the news live cam believing that the cougar was there live on the camera. Before his audience, he announced there's been spottings of a cougar. And who was in the screen? A lovely brown domestic tabby cat. What do you think of that, Neffy? He ended up realizing that this was a kitty and not the announced cougar that he had thought that it was. Well, the incident went absolutely viral. Celebrities like Questlove immediately shared the mistaken identity of that kitty for a cougar on their social media sites, with 3.7 million followers seeing it. Meadows took the mistake in stride, even sharing the live TV mistaken identity on NBC's nightly news, and I think that's cool. This cute kitty had perfect timing too, because he showed up. He popped up. He had popped up out of the bush and into the camera just as Meadows was announcing the cougar sighting. Perhaps he was tuning into that kitty's inner cat. Well, thank you all so very much for watching our video today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw that notification bell, and you'll be notified so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well,